Welcome to Debt is Dumb, Cash is King. 15 smart tips for thriving on a low income in 2024. Let's be real, folks. Living on a tight budget can be tough. Debt collectors on your back, barely making ends meet, it's stressful. But I'm here to tell you that 2024 can be different. We're diving headfirst into 15 smart tips to help you win with your money this year. Remember, debt is dumb, but cash is king. We're going to teach you how to take control of your finances, ditch those debts, and start living a life of financial peace. It's about learning to live within your means and building a future where you're in the driver's seat. So buckle up and get ready to transform your financial life in 2024. You can't reach your destination without a GPS, right? Same goes for your money. Budgeting tools are your financial GPS. From apps to good old-fashioned spreadsheets, find what works for you. These tools help you track every dollar coming in and going out, so you're always in control. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Try apps like Mint or YNAB for automated tracking, or use a budgeting journal for a more hands-on approach. Involve your family to make budgeting a team effort. With the right tools, you'll navigate your finances with ease. Listen up, folks. Financial literacy isn't just about dollars and cents, it's about taking charge of your life. Thankfully, we live in an age with amazing free resources at our fingertips. Websites, podcasts, books, there's no shortage of ways to learn. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart choices with your money. Start with budgeting apps to track your spending. Watch videos with your family to learn together. Enroll in online courses to deepen your understanding. And don't forget to seek advice from mentors or financial advisors. You know what separates those stuck in a financial mess and those who climb out? It's commitment. You gotta decide enough is enough. No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more drowning in debt. We're going to get serious, get organized, and get you on a budget that works. It takes guts to change, but trust me, the freedom on the other side, worth every bit of effort. So let's commit to this journey together. Your future self will thank you. Alright, let's build a budget, and don't panic, it's simpler than you think. Grab a pen and paper or use that budgeting app we talked about. First, write down every single dollar you bring in. Next, list out all your expenses, from rent to groceries to that daily latte. Now, the fun part. Finding places to cut back and free up some cash. Next, prioritize your needs over wants. Allocate funds for savings and emergencies. Stick to your budget and review it regularly. Listen, I'm not saying you gotta live on rice and beans, but there are smart ways to save on necessities. Meal planning, buying generic brands, and ditching those pricey pre-packaged foods can make a huge difference in your grocery bill. And hey, lowering that thermostat a couple of degrees in the winter won't hurt either. Use coupons and cashback apps to save even more. Fixing small home issues yourself can save on repair costs. And making your own cleaning supplies is cheaper and eco-friendly. Alright folks, it's time to cut the fat. We're diving into those sneaky little expenses that drain your hard-earned cash. You know what I'm talking about? Those daily coffees, eating out, impulse buys. These things add up faster than you think. Remember, we're on a mission to win with money, and that means taking control of every dollar. Start by canceling unused subscriptions, cooking more meals at home, and using reusable items to save even more. Consider walking or biking instead of driving. Always compare prices before making a purchase, and don't forget to automate your savings. Listen up, folks. Life throws curveballs. It's inevitable. That's why you need an emergency fund, a safety net for those unexpected expenses. We're talking car repairs, medical bills, the works. Start with a small, achievable goal, even $500. Gradually build it up to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. You'll sleep better knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Trust me, an emergency fund is your best financial friend. Alright, we're tackling income. Don't just settle for what you're making now, it's time to unleash your inner hustler. Think side gigs, freelance work, or even selling your skills online. There are tons of opportunities out there to boost your income. Remember, the more you earn, the faster you can dump debt and build wealth. So get out there and make it happen. Embrace the grind, stay focused, and never give up. Every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. We've got to be smarter than the stores and the credit card companies, folks. They want you to impulse buy, to spend money you don't have on things you don't need. Don't fall for it. This is about taking control, being intentional with your money. That means making a list before you go shopping and sticking to it. It means comparing prices, looking for deals, and not being afraid to walk away if it's not in the budget. Remember, a sale is not a good deal if you weren't planning on buying it in the first place. Use coupons and price comparison apps to save even more. Debt is dumb. It steals your income, stresses you out, and keeps you from building a future. If you're in debt, you need a plan to get out of it, and that starts with a budget. List out all your debts, smallest to largest, and attack that smallest one with a vengeance. Once it's gone, take that same money and roll it onto the next debt. This is the debt snowball method, and it works. Trust me, there's no better feeling than being debt-free. Use tools like debt payoff apps to track your progress and stay motivated. Every choice you make with your money is either moving you closer to your goals or further away. You want to buy that new car? Fine, but understand the true cost, not just the monthly payment. Can you pay cash for it? If not, it's probably not a wise financial decision. This isn't about deprivation, it's about delaying gratification. Save up, pay cash, and live like no one else, so later you can live and give like no one else. Make informed decisions, invest wisely, and secure your financial future. We've all been there, folks, tempted by that shiny new gadget or designer handbag. But listen up, that's your enemy talking, the voice of debt. Remember, you don't need a fancy coffee every day, you need a roof over your head. You don't need a brand new car, you need to be debt-free. Separate those needs from your wants and watch your money behave. Use budgeting apps to track your expenses and plan your finances. Achieve financial freedom and live stress-free by prioritizing your needs over your wants. Look, life throws curveballs, it's a fact. You might encounter unexpected medical bills or car repairs, but don't lose heart. This is where your emergency fund swoops in to save the day. And if you slip up, don't beat yourself up. Get back on that horse and ride towards your financial goals. Remember, you are capable of amazing things when you take control of your money. Embrace the journey, stay positive, and keep pushing forward. You got this. So, you've hit a few bumps in the road with your budget. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. The key is to identify the problem areas and adjust accordingly. Are you struggling with impulse purchases? Try the envelope system. Give each spending category a cash allowance. Once it's gone, it's gone. Remember, a budget is a living, breathing thing. It needs to be flexible enough to accommodate life's curveballs. Track your expenses daily to stay on top of your budget. Set realistic financial goals and review them regularly. We've covered a lot of ground, folks. From budgeting basics to debt management, you've learned practical steps to take control of your money. Now, it's time to embrace a frugal lifestyle. That doesn't mean depriving yourself, it means being intentional with your spending. Focus on needs over wants and find joy in the simple things. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and you'll get there. We've unpacked powerful tips for thriving on a low income. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how you manage what you've got. Embrace a frugal lifestyle, ditch the debt, and watch your financial future transform. Now, I want to hear from you. Put these tips into action and share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing financial advice. Let's get you on the road to financial peace. Join our community and share your journey to financial freedom.